I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have the world in our sight, and I know together we'll be alright. And you see, forever we will go.
Everyone, so it is the end of my first day out in the field, and wow, did it feel good. Felt awesome, actually. Didn't get a whole lot of footage while in the field today because I was having this mental crisis using granular pre-emergent. I do not like it at all. I do not like it at all. And it's not for flowability reasons. I mean, it passed through the hopper fine. I mean, I like the analysis, but I just do not feel comfortable or confident with it. And let me explain what I mean. When I'm applying this fertilizer and I come across bare ground and I apply it, you know, I can see the prill distribution here. Let me flip the camera around and show you what I'm talking about. Distribution in bare ground. Okay, the problem is I can also see a lack of prill distribution on bare ground. For instance, here, not really any prills here, or in this little pocket, not really any prills. Look right here, not really any prills. Look right there, not really any prills. This is okay, but how am I sure that that is adequate coverage to prevent crabgrass right here? Not confident in this at all. I feel like I'm making a huge mistake, and the problem is that I've already bought 6 pallets of this fertilizer, so I got to at least get this out, and then I can go liquid. I was doing the math on this to get 1.5 pounds of active ingredient per acre out of this prodiamine. I have to go down to 8.9 pounds per thousand. So if I go out at 4 pounds per thousand with this fertilizer I have here, that will give me about 0.6 pounds of active down. Then I can follow that up with my 13 ounces to the acre rate of prodiamine that I usually run. And that will give me 1.25 ounces. I'm sorry, 1.25 pounds of AI. And that I'm okay with. As long as I'm at 1 pound or a little bit more, I know I'll get adequate level of control. But my big thing is that when I'm using liquid and I spray a bare spot, all of that bare spot is sprayed. All of that bare spot gets pre-emergent. All of that bare spot is covered. I can see it on the ground. I know it's there. I know it's protected. I know I'm not going to have crabgrass there. When I have that kind of spacing in between these granules with that coverage, I'm not confident in it. I'm not confident at all in it. And I'm not used to having to stop on a bare area or a spot along a curb and having to go extra there. It's not in my normal day-to-day operation. It's not how I've previously applied pre-emergent. So I'm not going to continue with granular pre-emergent after this. So just wanted to tell everyone exactly where I stood after my first day out. No more granular pre-emergent ever, unless it's Ronstar, because I know what to expect from Ronstar when I put it out as a granular pre-emergent. I don't know what to expect from granular barricade because I just don't use enough of it. I'm not going to do it anymore. All right, y'all. Have a good one. Kill it out there. Take it easy.